Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the CSC or the card security code on your debit card. The reason that you'd want to know this is that the CSC, also known as the CVV or security code, is often required for online transactions. Knowing where to find it ensures smooth and secure payments without any confusion. This video is particularly helpful for anyone new to using debit cards for online payments or for those who are unfamiliar with card security features. This video is going to be short, simple, and straight to the point, so make sure to stick around all the way until the end to learn how to find the CSC on your debit card. So let's get started and locate that CSC number quickly. So the first thing you want to do is get your debit card. Obviously, yours won't be taped off. It'll have all of your information, such as the 16 digits for your card and your name down at the bottom. But what we really want to focus on is the back of the debit card itself. That is where we will find the CSC. And that will be located right here. Underneath, again, it will be indentations or all of the rest of the information that your debit card has on the back. It depends on your card issuer, so sometimes there won't be any information on the front and it'll all be on the back, but what you want to find is the 3-digit code. The CSC or the CVV or the security code, whatever you want to call it, is always going to be 3 digits and it's always going to be found on the back of your card. And that's really all there is to it. So before we wrap up this video, here are some tips to consider. The first thing is the CSC is typically a 3-digit number located on the back of your debit card near the signature strip. The second thing is, for added security, never share your CSC with anyone unless you're completing a trusted transaction. And if your card doesn't have a CSC, contact your bank to confirm its security features. The last and final tip is always use secure websites when ensuring your CSC to prevent any unauthorized access. And with that being said, that wraps up this video. I really hope that this video helped you find the CSC on your debit card. If it was helpful, please be sure to like the video, share it with a friend, and most importantly, subscribe for more future tutorials.